Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will fix messy makeups overlaps using clone stamp tool. Zoom into the smudged or uneven makeup. Select clone stamp tool with a soft round brush. Hold Alt and sample clean skin or makeup. Brush slightly to remove the overlap. Adjust opacity for natural branding. Follow face counters for realism. Use small strokes near sensitive areas. Add highlights using clone lighter tones. Bring back shadows for depth. Smooth final edges carefully. Zoom out to review full makeup look. The makeup now looks neat and defined. That's how to fix makeups overlap. Thanks for